as the gopis are, they're standing looking at Krishna. We're standing and looking at Krishna also. Radharaman, Radhasham, Radhagiridhari. Why are you rejecting? Why aren't you reciprocating? Reciprocate. Hey, look, listen, you stubborn one. You pick up your Govardhan Shila. You stubborn one. Durvagraha. Why don't you promised, you said on the Gita, Yayatamam Prapadyante, that you'll reciprocate. I mean, I'm giving everything. Can you just show me your toenail? Can you just leave a footprint in the garden? So I come out one day and it's not Haridas, it's not mine. It's not a deer, it's not a harin, it's Krishna. And Krishna listening to he's watching you cry and listening to your prayers. It's in his time. Everything will happen in time. But we are rajasic living entities. Living on the earth planet means to be rajasic. Impatient. Now, Jack, press the button, deliver at my door, UPS or Fed Express. So we're all in line for a hug and a kiss. And we're not waiting to get a hug and a kiss from some fat lady in India. That's well and good. If it works for you, go for it. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I'm saying it's a great thing. Go get your hug and a kiss. That's nice. But if you have a mother, it's better you go to your mother. It feels better anyway. And if you don't have a mother, then wait for Krishna to come and embrace you. Because you have to give Guru Dakshin for that hug and kiss. It's nice. I mean, you were mentioning about that. I didn't remember all that and think of that. But and I don't mind, because anybody who's trying to do something good is good. But the point is that Krishna will embrace us. He will love us. He will remove our... Krishna takes his chatter and he dries the tears from the gopis' eyes. Bhagavan, he takes his chatter and he dries the tears from the gopis' eyes when he meets them and they're crying. In chapter 31, after they cry out the Gopi Gita, then he comes back and says, oh, you're crying. I was standing just outside these bushes. I heard every word. So every stotram you chant, every Maha Mantra you chant, Krishna's hearing it. He's standing right there in front of you. But we think, oh, he's not hearing me. In his time, he'll come. In his time, he will reveal. So this is a great teaching for the sadhaka. This is what you call the Adhyatmic Vichar and the Adhibhautiki Vichar and Adhidhaivik. So Adhyatmic Vichar, the consideration of the Atma, it's different, means me, the Jivatma. And Daiva means the divine, the transcendental Kamadev, the Aprakrita Madan Mohan. The Aprakrita Madan Mohan. Madan is Cupid, and Mohan's the one that bewilders Cupid. So sometimes it's a Aprakrita Madan. Rather, not Mohan, but Aprakrita Madan. Or Smara Murtiman. Smara Murtiman, or Sakshat Manmata Manmata. So these are all ways to describe Krishna as the supreme lover, as the supreme Dev, the transcendental Kamadev. The transcendental God of desire, or Deva. So Krishna is there. As he was standing, gopis couldn't see Krishna. They couldn't feel Krishna. They're crying, they're asking the trees. So we're in Vrindavan. Do you go to the trees and say, Krishna Kahan? Where is Krishna? Is anyone searching for Krishna? Is anyone moving in Vrindavan searching for Krishna? Oh, I went to Mangalartik. I'm searching for Krishna. You're not searching. He's right there. But Vrindavan means to ask everyone. The gopis went mad. This is a definition of prema in the 11th canto. Evam vrata supriyanama kirtya. Evam vrata swa priyanama kirtya. In Uddhava Gita, this is being explained that he goes, hasati, rodati, nrityati. They become so mad chanting his priyanam of the Lord. Evam vrata, deva vrata. Says he takes a vow, or he's taken, the name makes him into a vow, or she, the Priyanamam Kirtya, their favorite, dearest name of the Lord. Somehow, after they go through so many births, and they wander here and there, and they hear so many mantras and receive so many dikshas, At some point in the evolution of their consciousness, as they rise through Nishta and Ruchi and a Sakti, then they come to the threshold of Bhava, then some name settles, some name arises from the fertile field of their consciousness, from the fertile field of their transcendental consciousness. One name arises and sits on the throne as the queen of all names, the Mancha Raj or the Mancha Rani. And that becomes their Priyanama Kirtya. And they dance, Nritya, and they laugh, Hasati, and they cry, Rodati. And Loka Bhaya, they don't care, Vichar. They don't care about what the people think. They say, Radhe, Radhe.